Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to have a look at a new project called as TrajectoryCrafter. What this project does is best described by showing you a few of the examples from the repo. If you look here, what this project is doing, it is redirecting camera trajectories for monocular videos. When we say monocular videos, what it means that videos captured from a single camera perspective lacking depth information. This project is aiming to provide users with a more immersive experience by enabling them to freely redirect the camera trajectory within the casual videos. There are four key challenges this project is trying to address. First, it achieves precise control over user specified camera trajectory, which primarily deals with precise trajectory control. Secondly, it also enhances 4D consistency. When we say 4D consistency, what it means is that the four dimensions of space and time. In this context, it means ensuring coherence and consistency in the generated video across both space and time. This ensures rigorous 4D consistency with the source video. Third and final, it also deals with robust generalization that exploits the large scale diverse training data for robust generalization across unseen scenes. Now let's try to get it installed locally and then we will see how it works. Let me also give a huge thanks to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. First up, let me create a virtual environment with Conda. Next up, we need to git clone the repo and I will drop the link to it in video's description. It already exists, so I'm just going to remove the previous one and I'm going to run it again. There you go, that is done. Now, what happens is that this TrajectoryCrafter also downloads another project called as Depth Crafter, so which we need to download, and for that we would need to enable the recursive module in this git. For that, let me open it in the VS Code and I will show you what I mean. And once this is open, all you need to do is to just open this .git module file and change this URL to HTTPS. But if you are using this with the git URL with your SSH keys, no need to change. But as I'm not using my SSH keys for my git, that is why I am changing this URL to HTTPS, which makes it easier to download. So that is all you needed to change here. Let me just go back to my terminal. Once you have saved it, all we need to do is to update the git submodule configuration by running this git submodule sync command. That is done, and now we can fetch all the modules by running this git submodule update init recursive. And that is all done. And now from the root of the repo, let's install all the prerequisites. And that is going to take a couple of minutes. While that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot enables you to deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support. And I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. And that is done. Next up, we need to install the Hugging Face Hub because we need to log in there in order to download the model. For that, let me use Hugging Face CLI, and that is going to ask for my read token, which you can also grab from huggingface.co for free from your profile. Let me paste my token here and I am logged in. Afterwards, you can simply run this script in order to download all the models. And let's wait for it to get downloaded. And the models are downloaded. Let me quickly show you the size of the repo on the disk. So you would need around 92 gig of disk space. It's huge. Okay, so that is done. Now let's launch our Gradio demo. So for that, all you need to do is to run this command, python gradio underscore app.py. And once you run it, it downloads even more stuff. So let's wait. And at last, all the models are downloaded and it is running on our local host at port 12345. So let me open it in the browser. And now let me run one of the examples. So I'll just scroll down and grab one of their examples. So for this, I'm just going to go this first one, input video. So if I go up, this is the input video, and I'll keep everything as is just to show you how it works. Let's click on generate video, and you can see that it is in progress. So if I just quickly check the VRAM consumption, so it is showing me around over 35 gig of VRAM it is consuming at the moment. Okay, so let's wait for it to get done. So I'll just check what is happening here. So you see it is still decoding and working through it. And the ETA is just over 3 minutes, even on local. So let's wait for it to come back. And it completed that denoising step, and then it is going towards the decoding of the video in the second phase, I guess. And that also takes around 5 minutes or so. And it is fluctuating. So it is quite heavy model, I would say. So let's wait for it to finish, and then I'll show you how long did it take. And there you go. So after it took around, I would say, you can see here like 4 and then 8, around 10 to 12 minutes it has generated these two videos, where I'll just run this one. There you go. So this monocular video and the camera trajectory is showing. So now let me select one of my own video to see how it goes with it. So I'm just going to select a video from my local system. So I have given it this video from my local system. It is a 30-minute long video. I'm not sure if it is going, how long this is going to take, but I will wait and see what it does here. Let's check here. So it is still working through it. Encoding, decoding will happen. So I'll wait for it to finish. And the video is done. As you can see, it has taken just again around 15 minutes or so. So let me play it, and I clicked on pan left when it was happening. So let's see. There you go. So camera trajectory is there. That is interesting. Let me play it again. The speed of the video is a bit off, but other than that, it's not bad at all. But if you look at it, it is still a frontier thing. Of course, this cannot be really deployed in the production. I'm not sure how exactly they have created these videos, which are much better than mine, but I think it took them long time. Maybe they just increased these sampling steps. Maybe they used something else. Maybe the seed was different. I'm not sure. And then this is a camera pose which was followed, and there are various other examples which you can check out as how it pans out, and you can customize it if you like. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this project. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.